United 8 Heavy is leveling 190.
Intercept low class.
280, intercept low class, American 160.
Departure, Cobra 5992, just out of 4,700 for 10,000. Papa Romeo, runway 1, taxi into position and hold. Delta 1990 Heavy, correction on the frequency. It's 123.90 now.
123.9, that's what I thought. Thanks, Delta 1990. 2360, American 1262. Okay, turn right 070, and we're showing, we're slowing through 250. What do you need?
1,000.
And then approach United 8 Heavy is leveling 190.
Mike, just by Dandy.
500, 400, 300, 200.
Delta 1990 Heavy, correction on the frequency. It's 123.90 now.
123.9, that's what I thought. Thanks, Delta 1990.
Landing gear,
40,
landing
30,
gear,
20, 10.
landing
10.
1.9 seconds.